Hello. This is a list that I have been making for a while now, and it's more or less presentable, so I'll just read it now because I want to. The list is entitled, Words to Say in Regular Conversations to Make Yourself Sound Like a Douche. This is all my opinion, by the way. Number 1, ecstatic. Number 2, elegant. Number 3, blatantly. Number 4, towering. Number 5, fortified. Number 6, jubilant. Number 7, fester. Number 8, trifecta. Number 9, holster. Number 10, mind-numbingly. Number 11, grapevine. Number 12, niggardly. Number 13, gimmick. Number 14, ambitious. Number 15, factually. Number 16, applicable. Number 17, fucking. That's debatable. Number 18, variable. And number 19, wholeheartedly. That is my list of words that I hate when people say them to me. Goodbye.